Livensa AI review. Is this photo or AI photo and video generator worth it? Well, let's find out. So, Livensa AI is a mobile app that transforms text prompts or photos into short videos and AI generated videos. It offers multiple styles: anime, realistic, Disney, cyberpunk, pet to human avatars, and mini world animations, and more. So, what users like is they have stylized templates and instant results. They also have a multi-platform and high download count, and they have a fast performance. But it goes with the common complaints with the aggressive paywall, which blocks most functionality unless you pay. They also have subscription cost intensive, and they have a low quality output. But for the final verdict, Livenza AI is worth trying, but only if you manage some expectations like fun and creative, with plenty of styles to play with. But don't expect cinematic videos. Outputs are brief and often glitchy. And be cautious before subscribing because there's no real free sample and many users feel disappointed by what they get versus the cost.